Hello guys, kaon tayo sa birthday.
Kaon tayo sa birthday, guys. Oh,
Hindi sila dito, guys.
konti lang to, guys, ha. Diet lang to.
Mama mo.
Medyo konti lang to, ha. Anong flavor yung ice cream mo? Vanilla pa rin. Hala, ano na?
Tunaw.
Tunaw na.
Lagay ko sa preset.
Wala pa akong grika play, nalipatan ko.
Gutom-gutom na, guys.
Naggutom na.
Lagay ko sa preset para hindi matunaw.
Masarap yung may lagyan ng coke float. Hindi sila magsikaon?
May ida sila. Bago ko na.
Beng, hindi kayo magsikain, Beng?
Anak, ay, maanghang pala to. Ayan.
Mahal fast food tayo.
Mauna na lang tayo.
Sabihin mo, Kuya Joseph, hindi siya kakain?
Ay, sabi naman ni Daddy.
Si Kuya Joseph, hindi kakain?
Wala, magkakaroon.
Ano sabi ni Daddy?
Magkakaroon lang pala siya.
Ayun, na pa kumain.
Mag-uptak nga naman siguro sila ni Kuya Joseph.
Alaki ko yan, Sep.
Sarap naman na may birthday. Hindi nga.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Kainin nyo na yung price nyo, baka ano na yan.
Pangit na yung price, maano na. Ako hindi na ako nag-rice, price na lang.
Kaya kasi tayo umahang. Ang laki ng chicken.
Baka ako na.
He averaged like, what, less than 8 punches around.
Ano man yan, panood mo man?
When I interviewed him last week, Jim? I said, they say you don't throw punches, man. He said it ain't about how many, it's about the right
Namigay nga ako.
because every champion Pacquiao faced brought something different to the ring.
Complete package na.
Walked away
Binigyan ko ng dalawang bahay.
spiritual. So buckle up, because this isn't just a story
Bulapit
from
na ako.
boxing history. This is a no-holds-barred confession session from the biggest names in boxing. All
May nagkanta na sa kanya isang peraso. Okay na naman.
that was and still is Manny Pacquiao.
Mike Tyson, congratulations. This is a very good game. I hope that the rest of the
Hindi ganong ma...
Thank you.
Ano? Hindi ganong ma...
Congratulations.
Labas lang.
Yes, beautiful. I'm here to support you.
Hindi ganong mahang yung ano ng Jollibee
Oscar De La Hoya
spicy.
found out the hard way. The Golden Boy, once untouchable, walked into that fight with Manny with the air of a man who had seen it all. But he hadn't seen Manny, not like that. De La Hoya entered the ring with pride.
Paborito mo tong rainbow cake mo?
He left it
Hindi,
questioning
bata may
everything.
birthday.
Every
Ay, ano?
punch
Pag bata
Manny
rin bukay kailangan.
It was surgical.
Ano parang ang bubulo?
Ano ba paborito mo?
Couldn't move.
Ano paborito mo?
And then, like a tragic
Ano,
chase,
mga caramel,
Pag-isip
mga
bata,
milk
wala pa
milk,
sabi yung gusto niya.
mga milk milk,
Hindi.
OB.
Marami akong gusto doon. Baka so, pag bata na birthday.
Pacquiao didn't just
Ba't
beat De La
require pag bata
Hoya, he
ganyan?
urged him from
Wala
relevance.
lang. Para lang makulay. Para mapil niya yung pagkabata.
Fists.
Ano pala yun?
Movement. He beat you with rhythm. He turned every match into a symphony and every opponent into a guest conductor.
Favorite niya yun dati. Yung mga 5 years old pa lang siya.
The untouchable maestro of defense admitted that
Rainbow cake.
that's no small
Ang
compliment.
kami mo. Kain na chicken, guys.
Shoulder rolls.
Let's eat chicken yummy.
Then Pacquiao's game was
Ice cream yummy.
his combination.
Ice cream
It all
good.
came
Ice cream
like
good.
jazz, brutal.
Ay, marami.
Sarap ng ice cream na. Ay, sarap. Masana dahil ni Eric din. Yan ang sakan ko.
Tagahapon ako nun.
Sabi ni Aldo, sarap ng... May din ni Eric din. Sakan ko. Dan ni Eric.
He was quick, he was quicker, he was predictably more aggressive, he connected more. That 8th and 9th round.
Para lang tayo sa fast food.
Pinuntahan daw pala sa gabi sa school. Sabi daw ng classmate niya, ba't walang handa?
Kaya ang cool.
Sarap nila.
Anong kaklase niya? Ah, pinantakan siya.
Lahat ng classmate niya. Sabi daw ni teacher, dapat pumunta ka sa gitna. Wala
Kasi-
kang naalala na may kasalanan ka. Wala daw siyang masagot.
Kasi kaya ko... Kahit pag-ilit ka. Ba't napurna na?
Tinamad ako.
Basta lang napurna din na lang.
Tinamad mo. Kawawa na yun. Ba't walang handa?